You know what? Today is a good day to clean my oven. When was the last time I cleaned it anyway? Hold on, let me check. Oh my goodness. That's a lot of mess in here. Oh, I think it's been over maybe like 10 years. Hey, don't you dare judge me. Don't judge. So as you can see, it's got quite a bit of caked up dust, even like metallic substance all throughout. Honestly, it's been probably over 15 years or maybe even more since I cleaned it. So yeah. So this is a Frigidaire unit. Actually, it was just yesterday where I used baking soda and vinegar to clean the glass. It was all caked up with grease. I couldn't see anything. Time to clean my oven. Oh my goodness. Look at all that caked up grease on the window, on the glass door. Apply a little bit of baking soda and vinegar, it will help. So let's go ahead and try that experiment. Got some baking soda, any generic brand will work. It doesn't have to be exact science, you know. Okay, let's put that right there. It's only baking soda. Okay, I think I'm using this Heart Club that I got from somewhere. And then just some cheap distilled vinegar, apple cider vinegar or oil vinegar. And just leave it on right there. Oh, you see a reaction taking place? So the baking soda neutralizes the grease. So here is the model. This is the older style Frigidaire. Originally came in the house, I think 2006. So it dates back to back then. So first, what I'm gonna do is remove these racks first because it cleans in high temperature. Some of the newer units have a clean and also a steam clean. So what the clean does is basically it operates at high temperature to burn off any grease, remaining substance, food particles, and it turns it into like ash. So what you want to do is, first of all, remove any remaining particles, food particles, and it helps to soak it a little bit wet, like with a little bit of detergent, food safe detergent, and just wipe it down a little bit. All right, so here is the before. Okay, the oven light. Let's go ahead and turn on the clean function. So once you have it on clean, it automatically locks. So I'm gonna press clean, and then I believe you can cycle. Oh, okay. So you can cycle 3 hours or 2 hours. This is older model. Let's go ahead and do the 2 hour. Let's press clean, and it's in clean. See how it says door locked? Yeah, you can't actually open it. So after the 2 hours, oh, by the way, you want to remove anything on the top because it gets quite hot. You also don't want to use any the stove top while that's cleaning. See, it's on and it's door locked. And don't worry about the smell because that's what it does. So now I smell a little bit of gas, but that's normal because it's gonna cycle through. And of course, you want to open windows and doors to air it out. And while you're doing this, it makes sense to be at home. You don't want to run this while you're away from home, all right? So let's let that run for 2 hours and let's come back and see how it looks afterwards. Oh, you also want to remove anything from the bottom door too, like if you have any pans in there, or you want to remove everything from the oven and the bottom unit too. Oh, I can definitely smell it now. I can feel the heat coming off. In fact, it's too high to read on its thermometer. Wow, 77 degrees inside the house because of the oven that's on. Let's check up on it. Oh, I think it's finally done. Oh, but the door is still locked. Oh, that's hot. I think it needs about an hour for it to cool down for safety reasons. Finally, after 3 long hours of waiting, I finally opened the door. Oh my goodness, it's getting hot in here. Whoa, do you see all the greases? The grime and residue it burned off. It's still hot, so be careful, and especially your children, you have to be careful. Swipe it. You see that? See how that turned into like ash? Oh, that goes to show that the cleaning in an oven really does help to really give it a thorough burning, like basically like a cremation for the food residue. And it does help make it a lot easier to clean. Now you can just wipe it down. See, but be careful, it's hot. Wow, I'm so glad they put the cleaning features in an oven. So there you have it. It goes to show that it does work. It does help. You just have the time and the patience. Hey, hope you guys enjoy the video. Make sure you click on the like, comment, subscribe. Until next time, take care of yourselves and keep your kitchen clean, especially your oven.